So if you're a plaintiff or even a defendant in a small claims lawsuit, here's some information that might be very valuable and very helpful to you. This is Dave at AFX Search, licensed investigators. Typically, if you're in a small claims case, this is going to be without attorneys. One or both sides may be going forward without legal representation because that's the whole point of a small claims lawsuit, to keep the cost down, to make sure that the parties are represented by themselves and that the legal case is kept at a minimum for the damages. So if you don't have an attorney, how can you create an advantage for yourself? Well, a private investigator might be a way to do that. If nothing else, an investigator is a third party to give testimony about facts in the case. If you are one of the principals in the case, as you're presenting facts to the judge or the magistrate, whoever's hearing that case, they're going to take that with a grain of salt because they know that you have a vested interest in that case. A third party, like an investigator, may have some more credibility about the facts they're presenting. It also is evidence that the other side won't have. If you come armed to that case with an investigator to present some evidence, things they've discovered independently, that's going to be more than just you telling your story. It's going to tell the judge that you're taking it seriously enough to provide that person, he or she, with evidence about the case. You can document your claims that you're making with another backup from the investigator. It supports your arguments. It supports the story that you're telling with either paper documents, observed activities, maybe it's surveillance, and even a third party that's licensed that will be there to tell the truth. Also, an investigator is not an attorney, but they can describe to you activities that they have seen attorneys use that might be helpful in your case. If you're there to win your small claims case, come armed with as much resource as you can bring to the case. A private investigator might be the thing that puts your case over the edge and wins you your judgment. If you have more questions about a small claims lawsuit using a private investigator, you can reach us at our website at afxsearch.com.